Hey everyone, welcome back to the Real PCC, Pramodh Code Crafter. I'm your host, Pramodh Naren, and today we are diving into episode 2 of our beginner friendly data science series. In our last video, we understood what data science really is. Today, we are taking it a step forward and exploring where it's used in real life all around us. Let's jump into it. Understanding theory is good, but seeing how it works in the real world, that's where the magic happens. From the apps on your phone to the suggestions you get online, data science is the silent hero behind it all. Let's check out a few examples you'll definitely relate to. Have you ever noticed how Netflix always knows what to suggest next? Or YouTube autoplay somehow gives you exactly what you want? That's data science in action. Studying what you watch, how long, when you stop, and using algorithms to recommend content you'll enjoy. On Amazon, you might see people who bought this also bought this collaborative filtering, a smart technique that uses data from millions of users to understand shopping habits and predict what you might like next. Ever wondered how Google Maps knows there's a traffic jam ahead or gives you an almost accurate ETA? It collects real time GPS data from thousands of phones and uses predictive models to give the best routes and time estimates. In healthcare, data science is saving lives. From predicting the risk of heart disease based on patient records to identifying early signs of cancer using medical imaging, data is becoming a powerful diagnostic tool. Banks and payment apps use data science to detect fraud in real time. If you suddenly spend in another city while your phone is somewhere else, the system might flag it. That's smart pattern recognition and anomaly detection, and all thanks to data science. So now let's look where else data science is used. Honestly, the list is endless. Number 1, social media, analyzing what goes viral. Number 2, gaming, adjusting difficulty based on your skill. Number 3, sports, tracking player performance with sensors. Number 4, marketing, targeting ads based on your interests. Anywhere data exists, data science can be applied. So now you have seen how data science is already a part of your life every single day. From your entertainment to your health, it's working quietly in the background to make your experience better. In the next episode, we are going to tackle a big question. What's the difference between data science, machine learning, and AI? Sounds similar, right? But they're not the same. Stick with me and I'll explain it the easy way. This is Pramodh Naren. You're watching the Real PCC, where data science is decoded in just a few minutes a day. Like, subscribe, and let's keep crafting knowledge together. Thank you.